social media. He even claimed to have hacked my phone. Now, this is the second time. He claimed the first time he hacked my phone, my number to check something. Wumi's number was in my house, breaching my security and my safety. Still came out again to say he paid someone 20 million to hack our WhatsApp again. Please, I need to ask the government, is this right?
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé VERYDARKMAN wípé ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì ni ó ti búlì òun o. Arábìnrin yìí ó fẹ̀hónú rẹ̀ hàn nínú fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ó tún ké sí ìjọba wípé ṣé bullying ṣé ó dáa ni, wípé ìjọba ò ṣe nǹkankan sí i. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin yìí bí ó ṣe ń lọ.
Is it legal in this country to be hacking? There's nothing even in that concerned citizen, whatever. But I know that it is against the law to do that, to post it. I know. And I understood the game. I don't know the relationship between VERYDARKMAN and CPOJ. But I know that you are enabling him. Because out of all the conversations that VERYDARKMAN had with me, there was one that I held very strong to, because he's very boastful. He pointed to them Suleiman before Suleiman came to join us on that table and said, these are my boys, we work together. We work together. And VERYDARKMAN, you made me also understand that bullying is nothing. Because you said it. Don't lie. Make sure you don't lie. You said it in your words. You said you used to bully boys. All these small boys in your area. You used to bully them. Is a form of correcting them and making them do the right thing. But that does not mean that you wish them death. So you were telling me, making me feel that bullying is okay. You see all the conspiracy that you people feel or try to put in my head about some gang people, some industry people all that one is left for you to come and see. I will not help you. There's nothing wrong with your mouth now. I'm not going to mention their names. You come out and say I mentioned their names. You are the one that were putting it in my head. So I will not allow you manipulating. I will not allow you manipulate me to say it. No. But the one way concern me when you talk, now they talk so.